Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here, and today I have a Plan With Me video. However, I was not able to do a voiceover for it, so I'm having to record like audio with my phone. So I decided to just add some positive affirmations to the video. So yeah. I am successful. I am confident. I am powerful. I am strong. I am getting better and better every day. All I need is within me right now. I wake up motivated. I am an unstoppable force of nature. I am a living, breathing example of motivation. I am living with abundance. I am having a positive and inspiring impact on the people I come into contact with. I am inspiring people through my work. I am rising above the thoughts that are trying to make me angry or afraid. Today is a phenomenal day. I am turning down the volume of negativity in my life while simultaneously turning up the volume of positivity. I am filled with focus. I am not pushed by my problems. I am led by my dreams. I am grateful for everything I have in my life. I am independent and self-sufficient. I can be whatever I want to be. I am not defined by my past. I am driven by my future. I use obstacles to motivate me to learn and grow. Today will be a productive day. I am intelligent and focused. I feel more grateful each day. I am getting healthier every day. Each and every day, I am getting closer to achieving my goals. Through the power of my thoughts and words, incredible transformations are happening in me and within my life right now. I am constantly growing and evolving into a better person. I am freeing myself from all destructive doubt and fear. I accept myself for who I am and create peace, power, and confidence of mind and of heart. I am going to forgive myself and free myself. I deserve to forgive and be forgiven. I am healing and strengthening every day. I've made it through hard times before, and I've come out stronger and better because of them. I'm going to make it through this. I do not waste away a single day of my life. I squeeze every ounce of value out of each day on this planet, today, tomorrow, and every day. I must remember the incredible power I pose within me to achieve anything I desire. I do not engage with people who try to penetrate my mind with unhelpful thoughts and ideas. I walk away when a person or a situation isn't healthy for me. I belong in this world. There are people that care about me and my worth. My past might be ugly, but I am still beautiful. I have made mistakes, but I will not let them define me. My soul radiates from the inside and warms the souls of others. I don't compare myself to others. The only person I compare myself to is the person I was yesterday. And as long as the person I am today is even the tiniest bit better than the person I was yesterday, I am meeting my own definition of success. Note to self, I am going to make you so proud. I finish what matters and let go of what does not. I feed my spirit. I train my body. I focus my mind. This is my time. My life has meaning. What I do has meaning. My actions are meaningful and inspiring. What I have done today was the best I was able to do today. And for that, I am thankful. I set goals and go after them with all the determination I can muster. When I do this, my own skills and talents will take me places that amaze me. Happiness is a choice. And today, we choose to be happy. You are a unique, beautiful soul. I love every cell of my body. I am patient, tolerant, and diplomatic. I am a joyful breeze entering a room. I handle my own life with joy and ease. I deserve the best, and I accept it now. All my needs and desires are met before I even ask. Every experience I have is perfect for my growth. All that I seek is already within me. I now choose to release all hurt and resentment. All is well in my world. My body takes me everywhere, easily and effortlessly. I forgive everyone in my past for all perceived wrongs. I release them with love. I am surrounded by love. All is well. My heart is open. I speak with loving words. I rejoice in the love I encounter every day. I accept my power. I can get through anything. I am worthy of respect. There are no limits to what I can achieve. I believe in my ability. I will never, ever give up. I am my number one priority. I am not impacted by the judgment of others. I am intelligent. I never let myself down. I am not my mistake. My ideas are important and valuable. I can choose the kind of life I want to have. I have everything I need to succeed. I define who I am. I decide what I do. I control how I live my life. I abandon my old habits and embrace new ones. I can overcome my greatest fears. I am complete. I define my worth, and I am worthy. I take care of myself. I am in charge of my life and the direction I am headed. I am healthy and happy. Watch out. I am unstoppable. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Bye.